Across the sea and somewhere over the rainbow lies an emerald, magical island with a new adventure around every corner. Welcome to Dominica!
Welcome to paradise.
For my latest adventure, I set off to Dominica, the most mountainous island in the Caribbean, where waterfalls cascade down the vibrant green slopes. Waterfall! All the way to the sea. A true fantasy island, it is no surprise that Hollywood discovered Dominica.
This is the witch's hut where they filmed Pirates of the Caribbean. See you guys later!
Whether you're in search of extreme adventure,
Going in! Hoping that he doesn't strangle me?
or a family vacation, or a relaxing getaway,
Feel completely rejuvenated from pure volcanic hot springs.
natural warm springs also flow into world-class dive zones like Champagne Reef,
We're going into the bubbles, baby!
where snorkelers and divers of all levels can have the unique experience of feeling like they're swimming through a glass of champagne. Dominica is fun for everyone. And a place where you can totally disconnect
Hello? Hello?
and enjoy paradise. It's a real-life Disneyland. With wild rides, hidden treasures, and some of the most wonderful people I have ever met. Discover Dominica, the Nature Island.